In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a photo document to Microsoft Teams. Whether you're collaborating on a project, sharing important documents with your team, or simply wanting to enhance your communications, knowing how to efficiently upload a photo document can be a real game changer. So let's dive into the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams. Once you've launched the application, navigate to the specific chat or channel where you intend to upload your photo document. This could be a private chat with a colleague or a group channel where you're collaborating with a wider team. It's important to ensure you're in the right place before proceeding, as this will help maintain organization and clarity within your communications. Now take a look at the message box. Just below it, you'll notice an attach icon which resembles a paperclip. Go ahead and click on this icon. This is your gateway to uploading files and images directly from your device to Microsoft Teams. Clicking on it will prompt a small menu to appear, offering you different options for file uploads. From the menu, select the option that says Upload from your device. This action will open a File Explorer window, allowing you to browse your device for the specific photo document you wish to upload. Take a moment to locate the file. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it. Be sure to choose the correct document, as this will be the image that gets shared with your team or chat group. After selecting the photo document, it will automatically appear within the conversation thread. This seamless integration ensures that sharing documents is both quick and straightforward. Depending on the version of Microsoft Teams you have, you may need to either send or confirm the upload to complete the process. If prompted, simply follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the upload. And just like that, you've successfully uploaded a photo document to Microsoft Teams. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your teamwork by ensuring everyone has access to the necessary visual information. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to make full use of Microsoft Teams capabilities. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore more of our content for additional tips and tricks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Have a great day and happy teaming.